Good morning,
Good morning, Rich.
Now to saying,
Yaboko na unswe.
I'm be fine. You share na che.
Aye. Say ko Austria ne Germany ko cover games here. Me who say Oba and be fine.
Za. And so you who za o.
Za.
Normal.
Na I want no say na o casting me last now say u pia ko to bi kwa was so.
Just was a jacket.
Sir.
Kuta de go. You grew maybe a whoopie akoto or you like it to a maba. You are sure you be unika to a home dominion.
I see.
Stress and
but Mamma Miss Amakwaba.
So. You are for Champions League. I know 2 matches. Edna, your boy, Paris Saint-Germain feature Liverpool 2-0. I'm going to be
yeah.
Barcelona has about 14 matches after some call. Come no 14 matches. Obianti mi show me that Anra Atletico Madrid akose sa record no omo so 2-0 la omo so entimi ante minim bia abeso de chance fi na yenko
me say u bisa ye tie for say which of the ties is dead,
sure,
and which of them can be resurrected. Rich, in Champions League conversations no, especially at the quarter-final level, say the share and run it Tuesday no, you can never call a tie dead, irrespective of the result. Say, and no, the games that were played, no, both games ended 2-0. 2-0.
Yeah.
On the surface level, team ubetimiaka say a bad ding. Say obe recover a Liverpool. Liverpool 4 case no a different. Bayern started from Camp Nou. And now share game now. Barcelona were very confident that they would get something from the game. But Diego Simeone now you this season and how he has played his football. No? He is thriving either in a low block or a mid block. Say on the team beat say Barcelona bona onim the kind of attacking prowess that they have. Or Lamine Yamal, and now unfortunately there was no Rafinha, right? So you would see, say, the main person that the attack was bent on to succeed. Lamine Yamal.
Rashford don't mean Rafinha.
No. Rashford is a different kind of player.
Okay.
He also has his own attributes. Yeah. Rafinha is more of a fierce guy. If you want to depend on him in a high stakes game of this nature, you can. Rashford yet play a beer. There are times one of Naso, he will come in and give you a very good goal, and you will be happy. But in a high stakes game of this nature, if your big man instruction be, I need you to do this, you may not get that from Rashford. And that's the difference between Rashford and Rafinha.
Okay.
And Rafinha is more of a leader. So if you don't have a Rafinha in the team, and a lot of responsibility is on Lamine Yamal, and you are playing against a low block and a mid block team to say Atletico Madrid, you are in trouble. Now, and now one thing really helped Atletico Madrid. The moments, they Champions League games to say quarter final. No, it's about the moment and how you take advantage of it. Look at the red card situation, Pau Kubasi. A lot of people are saying, say, it is quite controversial.
Controversial.
No, there's nothing controversial about this. Initially,
me and Raz had a point. I was like, Reverend, I have ID.
But I'm saying,
I'm running a clear or a large defender, and also a large player.
Good.
Or prevent you from scoring.
But
I'm running a red card.
The fact that your case is beer. The referee on the face of what has happened in that sequence, say, oh, you see on one person discretion. And I'm making decision on the pitch. Sometimes I know so. But to say the rule is very clear. Say, last man there, you must be penalized according to what the rule says, which is a red card. It's a Pogba's red card. But the resultant free kick was also a moment. And I was saying, come on, Rich.
Julian Alvarez good on. What?
You see, and taking advantage of that free kick to score that goal. No?
The technique now ranting up.
Oh, you see, you know.
Shabon, Homa.
Pejabon Kakrebi.
A fine one is yes. A ranting good effect.
Extraordinaire.
Super good.
By all standards. that was one thing that helped Atletico Madrid immensely in the game. Because I can imagine say, when Timian Shesa goal now, what it meant was that Atletico need to find a way to score a goal. But bomb mid block, low blocker, you want to thrive on either a counter attack or set pieces like this nature. Into when you set pieces that now punish your opponent, and you know that you have the advantage, go back and defend and try and see if you can counter again. Now look at Solot go no. The exact reason why Diego Simeone Edini Ben was what he came to do. Because as the game was going on, no, second half, back not too long. Now we did not by inside. The instruction is to still play on the counter, but try and get a goal that will catch your opponent by surprise. And then that was what Solot did. Very quick attacking football. Simple. So when you have a game like this, no, and then we share Barcelona for a website, no, and I saw something very interesting. Almost say rough justice. Almost draw score line, no. They said the almost match report about the CA match, no. Almost say rough justice. Into rough justice, no, they were simply highlighting all the wrong things. A CWO game that could have happened to them, or that could have gone in their way. Referee Anjian to my mom. Now, omo ended report. No, I saw something very interesting. I said the tie is far from over, which means omo jomu who say going back to Aya Wanda Metropolitano. No, they can get the result over there. Rich, I will not be surprised if Barcelona can turn this game around.
Including me.
I will not be surprised.
Because I know say in the second leg, the Simeone I know was set back.
Obesa sit back. On Sisa be different from this game.
Barcelona team, no, if you sit back,
of course.
They will relax and play.
Yeah.
They will come at you.
Yeah.
And you see, in football, they be ameka. The okuta ball no holding.
Yeah.
The bia the onuru kuta ball no holding tell what will defend no.
Yeah.
It's either or beshow and I'll bet you a song. And me, I know for sure. Saying the second leg, the Diego Simeone I know will defend and never about say
no. And Oshe on performance Copa del Rey now. It was a very similar story.
Okay, I'll say
4-0. Ewo Wanda.
Camp Nou, Barca.
And you see, it is the reverse ACCC where we are expecting Barcelona to go to Wanda and try and see what they can do to turn the game around, which I believe they can do. Because Diego Simeone will still want to use the same structure. Nothing different. But using the same structure now, you realize that Lamine Yamal and Rashford will stretch a defensive line in opposite angles. Then if the ball is able to get into the box frequently, it increases the chances of Barcelona getting a goal. In TSC, they got the first goal at the return leg, Copa del Rey, got the second one, got the third one. They couldn't get the fourth one. And a match the point, I'm waiting to qualify for the final. Rich, I am very confident that Barcelona can turn it around. And no, Atletico took advantage of the moment, which is very important at this stage in the Champions League. Making it the first win for Diego Simeone at the Camp Nou. Now let's look at Liverpool for situation. Rich, I don't know say Liverpool have gone through a lot of difficulties this season. Make a player in Liverpool. What are the issues? The first one, any Diego Jota off season, answer na season number started. It looked like the team could have easily healed from that situation. But Rich, sabi taflache. Se oni obi wo team mu na nipa kron wu in a very unexpected incident. It can affect you for a very long time. But when you analyze it carefully,
Diogo Jota,
yes,
affected the entire Liverpool team.
Yes,
Samu.
but Nkrofon hunisa. Okay,
because they are talking about Liverpool. They started the season very well.
Good. I will explain. But me person me too.
At that time, only Liverpool book game. Even second 20 seconds, now Liverpool find a way to score. Not just scoring, win the game.
Okay.
psychologically, I mean, Obiabaka said, team no, mentally they are very, very strong. And the everyone has all say, Jota way no ni wo ni sabi affected players.
It is
psychologically,
it is one of it.
Okay.
Remember other reasons, no, but I'll tell you why they are now feeling it, or they will now feel it. On say, Mohamed Salah Swaba Abontia Bekase Ombubim. After this, in fact, he had 1 year still on the contract. But after we give us Ombubim. But it is clearly because of some of the issues now on it and the slot. During the season, and now in Tokwa to me say Kasa Bati minimum. So many things were being said about Mohamed Salah by Arne Slot. When you have a player like this of such immense impact in the team, now Okasa same way sana. Everybody also knows that an era is coming to an end. Yes, Liverpool has spent so much money in the summer to purchase players, but it looks like they purchased players without a plan. And now me tie Virgil van Dijk. Last weekend, I know Omone Manchester City airbo omo FA Cup game now lose 4-0 no. Okasimbi mame dwene ho san. I was like, wow. I say at the point the team gave up totally on the game. They gave up. But that is not typical of Liverpool. So when you look at the issues that go on in the team throughout the season, yes, they have played and started very well, but the mental resilience that comes with a team, no, is not just about starting well. It's about finishing well. For a team who winning Premier League last season, to come subpar at this level, no, it tells you a lot about the issues that they have gone through and how it has affected them. Sana mimi huno. So it may not be just the Diego Jota situation, but it can be Bia Boma. It tells you that the rumors now say Xabi Alonso could become the next manager, no? Mefuaso, and I'll tell you why. When Mohamed Salah leaves the team, what will happen to the team is that an era would have been gone. Now, if you want to usher in a new era, and the players that you have bought, you want to get the most out of them. Unya coach me say Xabi Alonso now obema onim tradition of the club. Utimu say he can do something, and that may be the thinking of the managers of the team, the owners of the club. So on a slot now, it may be harsh to say that winning the league and then being told to leave the team after just one season, harsh kakra. But when you analyze it carefully, an era is gone. Mohamed Salah has seen that it's time for him to move on, even though he still had 1 year on his contract. And also all the other players are car. Most of them have just joined the club 2-3 seasons ago. So you'd want to give them a fresh start. But Osha performance and now put it against PSG now. I would say that is not typical of Liverpool in the Champions League.
I'm always confident.
And the worst of all was that they played 0 shots on target. 0 shots on target.
I say,
Inti Oba expected say going back to Anfield, no, they will try and make a comeback, which is something that Liverpool always do, or they are comfortable doing. In fact, when you talk about the Champions League and comebacks, you cannot take Liverpool in film. Shared your money Barcelona some seasons ago. After losing 3-0 at Camp Nou, they came back and they turned it around 4-0 and they won and went on. But this time, those conversations have quieted down. And Omubisa and a slot after the game. In some now, he couldn't even defend the performance, which sometimes is very sad because as an analyst now, share Liverpool and you expect them to play a certain type of football or put up a certain type of display. Now, Okobo formation it said 3-4-1-2, right? Where in most parts of the game they were trying to defend, but still managed to get some of these goals conceded.
Okay, and you would say, time is dead. Liverpool is out.
You see, a bit very premature. Say Liverpool is out, but on the surface level, it is almost tilting to that direction because so it looks like they don't have any direction now.
Atletico Madrid, Barcelona.
No, I think Barca can turn it around.
Okay.
Yeah, we also will lose here. No, men can't that out. But
Atletico.
The Barcelona I know and how Atletico are very defensive. No, they have what it takes to turn the tie around.
Abi Solo na yen 12 insurance over 4.5 or say